Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you if your Wi-Fi is not working or error, so how we can fix this problem at home within minutes. So let's start the video. This is Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So let's start the video. So firstly, make sure that your Wi-Fi device is on and available. So if your Wi-Fi device is turned on and available on your phone, so connect this device. If your device is not connected, then reset your mobile, open your setting. Now scroll down and tap on General and Management. Now scroll down. You can see here reset option. So tap on reset. So you can see many options: reset all settings, reset network settings, reset accessibility settings. So tap on reset all settings. So you want to reset settings. So after you reset settings and then tap again reset network settings. Now press the reset settings. So when you reset your network settings, now go back and again open your Wi-Fi connection, and now you can check your Wi-Fi is stable and now connecting. So after reset your all the settings, then again turn off your Wi-Fi device and turn it on. And when your device is turned on, then connect your Wi-Fi on your phone. So now your problem is fixed. So friends, if the problem is not fixed, then contact your customer service office. Maybe your hardware problem on your board of your phone. So check your hardware problem and fix this problem. So if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.